Hi guys, welcome to my channel and I hope you're doing well and having a wonderful week. My name is Dee and today I'm just going to be showing you how I do my eyeliner. Now a lot of people tend to have problems with doing the eyeliner and I just wanted to show you my way of doing my own eyeliner, and I hope you find it really useful, and I hope it really helps you in your makeup journey and your eye makeup journey in future. So if you want to know how I do my eyeliner and you want to know if it's going to be useful for you, please carry on watching. As you can see, I've already done my eye makeup and I've already done my makeup. That's just, to speed up the process because all of that is not really relevant for this video. So to start with your eyeliner, personally, I like to use gel liners. I do use eyeliner sometimes, the liquid eyeliner ones. I do use them sometimes if I don't have my gel liner with me or if my gel liner is finished. I definitely do use liquid eyeliner. But I tend to use gel liners a lot because I find the consistency of the gel liner really allows you to, play with it, especially like with the stroke and stuff, to be able to get the right kind of shape that you want. For me, liquid eyeliner is a very, let me say, flimsy. Sometimes the tip of it is usually quite flimsy and then you tend to make loads of mistakes, and because they're quite watery as well, you can find that it goes all over the place when you're trying really hard to concentrate and your hand just kind of shakes and then it's just all over, game over, you have to kind of start again. So with gel liners, it's a little bit more proof, like more sure proof, shall I say. It's less risky, it doesn't cause any problems, and it tends to stay on all day, all night. It doesn't really move, so this is really why I prefer to use gel liners. So for today, we're going to be using the gel liner, Morphe gel liner in the color Jet, and this is jet black. It's completely black. Yeah, you can kind of see it. Okay, cool. So the first thing I like to do is start from the tip of my eye, or the end of my eye. Some people start from the inner of the eye. That's completely fine as well. It depends on what you find comfortable. But I find it where when I draw the line first, then I know what I'm going to do. If it's going to be a thick one, if it's going to be a thin one, it allows me to do that. But if I start from inside, I feel like I have to just follow whatever shape I start with. So I'm going to start at the end. So then I start from there. And I just gently take that up, like that. And then just maybe in the middle of, the line I've already drawn, just in the middle there, I'm just gonna swipe it like that, literally like that. And this is why I prefer gel liners, because I feel like it's easy to make a mistake and still kind of be fine. So the one swoop like that. And you can take your time with this because eyeliner, it's not easy, to be honest. It's not an easy thing to do. So I just, like that, follow the shape of my eye. Just simple, like that. Okay, so we're just gonna do that for the other eye. I'm happy with this. I think this is the intention. This is what I wanted to achieve, and I'm happy with that. And that's it. I'm happy with the way this has turned out. So now I'm just gonna go and put on my eyelashes. This is the completed look. I've put on my eyelashes and I've finished my makeup, my lips, blush and all that stuff. And this is what it looks like. I like it. I think it looks cute. But yeah, so that's how I do my own eyeliner. And if you like this video, please subscribe, like, thumbs up, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.